Steve and Victoria Tarpin have been making authentic key lime pies for decades. But what makes it a Brooklyn staple? Let's find out.
Steve's always yearning for the Floridian vibe, the water next to whatever he was living in Red Hook. It is a Thai community. Everybody knows everybody. You walk on the street and everybody is like, hi. I love to see the reaction of the people when they taste the pie. I hear them say, ooh, ow, that's so good. My name is Victoria Tarpin. I work here at Steve's Authentic Keylimepie. I am the manager, owner, partner, front, back of the house, a little bit of everything. Steve is from Miami, Florida, and perfected in Brooklyn. And I'm from Mexico City. Nobody was really making an authentic key lime pie like the way he likes it. So he started with 3 pies a week. He used to bake them in his old apartment on Smith Street, and then he moved on Columbia Street. And that's how he found himself in Red Hook. The recipe is the same since the beginning. So we're gonna start with the graham cracker flour.
Oh, wow.
We get the wheat flour and we mix it with other ingredients to make the graham cracker meal for our crust. So that's the wheat flour.
Nice.
Then we add some sugar. We got the cinnamon. We add our baking soda and we have some salt. So we mix the dry ingredients first. We add canola oil. For better integration, we mix the vanilla and the honey. We do 1 gallon. Steve and I, we did work on the amounts and all that. And we got it right. I used to work as a waitress. I had to go through all the dessert lists, and I got annoyed because I had to say Steve's Authentic Key Lime Pie and then apple pie, pecan pie, whatever. And I say, what is so special about this pie? Why people are just raving about? So he would tell the guy, don't deliver to Cafe on Clinton. I will do the delivery there. Then he will come to the restaurant and will sit and chat with me for a little bit. And that's how we started. I wish for a lifetime subscription of it. And I got it. We complement each other very well. I was very reluctant at first to fully be in the office, in the back of the house. But there was this time that we lost the manager and he said, this is it. Just jump in the pool. You're fine. You're swimming. I feel he's got my back. And of course I do have his. It's those ingredients. And then, my mom will just bless the food. So I do it with the pie. It's like a sprinkle of love.
How long did it take you to perfect the recipe?
Not that long, a couple weeks. After the pandemic, our graham cracker supplier wasn't able to supply us with just 1 pallet of graham cracker meal. We were pushed to make our own flour for the crust. We have total control over what we put in it. That's a way to make it even purer. We finish with this, and then we roll it on the trays. Then we bake it, and then it needs to sit for some time, but we have some ready.
Oh, so it really does get hard. Oh, wow.
Taste
Cool.
it, taste it.
That's right. All right. Here we
When
go.
Derek's cooking,
Oh my
grounding the cookie, he can't stop eating. Derek, our son, he grew up playing with the key limes, with the graham cracker, with everything. He will be in his crib next to me, and I will be using or making pies. Everything is set.
And we just started taking the crumbles and put them in?
Yep. So we're gonna make some crust.
Nice. Okay.
With butter and the cookies that we just crumbled. We just wait till it melts. We have some already melted here. This needs to be all integrated. So we have our tins.
Okay.
And you want to try one?
Sure, I'd love to.
So I put a couple and spread it around.
Okay.
And I work with the edges first.
Okay. And then from there, you just work your way in.
Yeah. What helps me is do the measure with my thumb.
Okay.
Yeah, and then go around. You need to keep the quality high up. So you gotta keep an eye on all those little details. Okay.
What can I do?
So we have our condensed milk. If you wanna bring this bucket here, and we are gonna add the eggs.
Beautiful.
Add it to our mix. Before doing the mix, I do my key lime juice. I'm gonna add gelatin just to set it for the 10 inches it's needed. The fresh juice, it just doesn't get better than that. We get the key limes from Colima. There is no commercial produce that we could get from Florida. And this is ready. Perfect.
Just enough?
That's good, yeah. At the old bakery, there wasn't a storefront. People will come and ask, can I buy a pie here? And we will sell it through the door. It kind of evolved from that.
So what is this?
We have a key lime tree in
No way.
in our front door. Steve planted this from seed. We had a couple more, but the Hurricane Sandy took them. We were on the other location, actually. It was flooded and it was terrible. We lost machinery, we lost a lot of stuff. I knew we would get back on our feet because we have so many regular customers. We have a lot of people coming back and bringing family, and so nice to see that.
It's refreshing, it's creamy, you don't lose any of the flavor of the crust. They like complement each other in a way that is incredibly rare. That's terrifyingly good. Incredible.
Yay! When people say, oh, it's my first time, they try it, I'll say, I'll see you soon. It's addictive. Hi guys, thanks